Hey guys, and welcome back to Math Lessons. In this video, we're going to go over the steps of solving square roots. So what are square roots? Well, a square root of a number is a factor that can be multiplied by itself to get that number. For example, we know that 3 squared is equal to 9. Well, the square root of 9 is also equal to 3. This is because when we raised 3 to the second power, we got 9. The first step of solving square roots is finding which squared number is the closest to the number of the square root that we're trying to find. So for example, if we're trying to find the square root of 32, we know that 5 squared is 25 and 6 squared is 36. So the first number of the square root will be 5, since 32 is less than 36 but greater than 25. The second step of solving square roots is to add 5/10 to the number. So if we're solving for the square root of 32 and we know that our first number is going to be 5, then we're going to make that 5 into 5 and 5/10. And then we're going to square that, and 5.5 to the power of 2 is equal to 30.25. So that means that our square root is going to be greater than 5.5. If you're solving for the square root of a number and you get a number that is greater than your number that you're solving for the square root, then the square root of the number will be less than this number right here in 5/10. Alright, so now the third step of solving square roots is to basically guess and check until you find the 10th digit of the square root. So when we're solving for the square root of 32, we already know that that is going to be 5 and greater than 5/10. So let's try 5.6. So 5.6 squared, that's going to be equal to 31.36. And then 5.7 squared is going to be equal to 32.49. Since 5.6 squared is less than 32, our 10th digit would be 6. So it'll be 5.6. Alright, so for the fourth step of solving square roots, we know that the square root of 32 will be somewhere about 5.6. So I'm going to plug in 5 and square that, and 5.65 squared is equal to 31.92. Since we're getting very close, I'm going to try 5.66 squared. And 5.66 squared is 32.04. Since we went over, the square root of 32 is approximately 5.65. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button.